Are you tired of blunt knives and knife sharpeners that do not work? Sharpening knives correctly used to require a lot of skill, unless you're using a V-Sharp. The V-Sharp is the world's only free hand knife sharpener that maintains a constant angle while sharpening both sides of the blade at the same time, and it does it seamlessly. Most knife sharpeners make it impossible to keep a constant angle without a clamp. With the patented V-Sharp blade guide, it is easy to keep a constant angle. To achieve a constant angle, place the knife against the blade guide and slice down. Let the V-Sharp do the work. There are 3 options for constant angles to cater for different cutting scenarios. To adjust these angles, simply unclip the hone by placing your knife in the gap and twisting. The hone will easily pop off, and you can then adjust it to the angle of your choice: 30, 25, or 20 degrees. Squeeze the hone back in, and you are good to go. There are different hones available for your specific needs. There are diamond hones with optional grit sizes: extra coarse, coarse, medium, fine, and ceramic. Once the blade has been sharpened, you can use the steel side of the hone to polish the blade, leaving you with a smooth finish. We recommend polishing your blade with one angle bigger. Introducing our new ceramic hones. Finally, there's a way to sharpen your serrated blades. For example, your steak knives and bread knives. The ceramic hones will give you a superior edge on your serrated blade knives. The V-Sharp has been voted the world's best manual knife sharpener 2017 and 2018. Warthog's V-Sharp is a must-have in all kitchens. A knife sharpener that works consistently.